Hello guys, today discuss about my seventh rule regulations. Insurance in the USA is regulated at both the state and reference levels. State insurance departments oversee insurer operations within their justice jurisdictions, ensuring compliance with laws and regulations designed to protect consumers and promote fair particles. 8 types of insurance. There are various types of insurance available in the USA, including first, health insurance covers medical expenses in case of illness or injury. Life insurance provides functional protection to beneficiaries in the event of the insured death. Auto insurance covers damage and liabilities resulting from auto accident. Home insurance protects against damage or loss to one's home and its contact. Business insurance provides coverage for business against risks such as property damage, liability, and business interruption. Cancellation insurance serves as a critical tool for managing risk and protecting individuals and business from functional losses. By understanding how insurance workers are selecting appropriate policies, individuals and business can mitigate and the impact of unforeseen events and encourage their functional futures. These articles provide an overview of insurance and its working in the USA. If you have any question or need further clarifications and any impacts, feel free to ask. You write this make it easy and its human touch. What is insurance and how does it help you? Think of insurance like a safety net for life's expected movement, whether it's a car accident, a sudden illness, or damage to your home. Insurance steps in the lend a hand when you need it most. Let's take a closer look at how insurance works in the USA in simple terms. First, picking your protection. Imagine yours closing armor tailored just for you. You select the type of insurance you need, like health, life, car, home, or business insurance, depending on what you want to sophisticate. Second, playing your shield. To keep your armor strong, you pay a fee called a premium. This can be a monthly, quarterly, or a yearly payment, kind of the like keeping your shield polished and ready for acting. Third, understanding risk. Insurance companies are like the wish wizards who faces dangers. They use magic. Okay, it's actually a lot of data and math to predict how likely it is that something bad will have to you. This helps them future out how much your premium should be.